right? So now so far we have done revision regarding the text command, right? Now I am taking you to the image command. Always remember, sometimes students are saying, madam, I cannot see the font. Because you didn't select the font, you can't see the font commands. Selection is very important. Because if you don't do the right selection, you will not see the right command. Right? So let's go ahead. Now I'm selecting the image. How do I know I have selected? With the frame over here. Yeah, it has got some nodes. What are these nodes? These are called resizing node. I can increase it, I can decrease it. These are my resizing nodes. Right? Now when I come here, all the commands below will be related to the image. So if I want to replace the image, first thing, this person is not Poonam. What if I want to put Poonam? I can select it and it will take me to I can go and upload it. Over here I have some images. Let's say for example, I want to put my image, right? Or my student's image. This is my student. So I can put my student image. Because when we are wishing happy birthday, we should wish to put the photo of our own person whom we want to wish, right? I come here and I will call him Adil. Correct? We are wishing happy birthday to Adil. Right? So now he's here. So whenever you want to replace an image, you have to click on replace. Delete means delete. If I click on delete, it will get deleted. It will ask me, do you want to delete the image? If I want to delete the image, I will click on the delete image. Right now, I'm not clicking on delete. Right? Then I have something called duplicate. Duplicate means what? Make two of the same thing. If I click duplicate, it will give me two of him. Right? Correct? I'm deleting it now. So how do I delete? Press delete and it is gone. Correct? Then I have something called color. I click on color. If I want to give some background color to it, I can give the color. But this is not looking good. So I am going to undo it. Correct? Then let me select, let me select here. There's something called effects. Let me go ahead to effects. Yeah. If I come to effects, it will show me some special effects over here. So you know how you have on the mobile phone, you can give whatever effects you want, like a filter effects. Correct? Let's come back over here. So let me click on this filter effects. In filter effects, you can give the epic effect, the festive effect. Please have a look at Adil. He's changing. Summer effects, afterglow effects, solar effects. All these are effects and you can use the slider to change the effect. Correct? If you don't want any effect, you can go back and say none. Okay. Sometimes when we take photographs, they are not very sharp and bright. So let's make this dull. If you see, Adil's face is little dull. Let us make it little bright. So for that we go to adjust. When we go to adjust, I want you to follow only two commands. First one, brightness. If you make it bright, you see Adil's face has become brighter. And contrast. So brightness and contrast will make any images, sometimes our images due to bad light are normally dark. So if you want to make a dark image bright, you come here and use brightness and contrast. Correct? So brightness and contrast. Let's go ahead. Now, what if I want only Adil's face? If I want only his face, I will cut the image. So how do I cut the image? I click on crop. I click on crop, and here I get these nodes which I can crop. Right? I can drag it. Please give me a minute. Please understand, it's not allowing me to crop it, but there is a software thing. Don't worry, I will show it to you one more time. Maybe because my mobile is adjusted with the laptop, it is not allowing me to crop it, right? So if you want to crop it, you can easily crop it. So right now, if you see, I am able to crop it. Right? So if you use this down thing, you will be able to crop it. Correct? And I'm pulling it down. Don't worry, we will visit the cropping one more time. Now I'm going ahead to something called flip. What is the meaning of flip? Flip means left to right or up and down. So when I say flip vertical, it goes up to down, down to up. If I say flip horizontal, it goes left to right and right to left. So horizontal, left, right, vertical, up, down. Correct? Then again we have animation. We will do animation afterwards. Correct? When we are doing videos, we will do animation. Now, I am going to change this over here. Yeah, I am going to say, be happy. Right? This is your big day, enjoy. If I want to change something, okay, so we can write whatever we want over here. Once you are happy, you can get out of this. Right? Now if I want to download this image, I can simply click on this. Yeah, on this right hand side, I can download it. I can say save as. It is giving me two choices. It's saying either PNG or JPEG. Normally when we want to share on WhatsApp or on email or on website, we choose JPEG. And I'm saying download. Once it is downloaded, I can share it on WhatsApp with my friends, family, or so it's saying you can share it on WhatsApp. You can share it on Gmail. You can go and share it on Facebook. You can send it as message to someone. You can share on your Instagram account. Wherever you want to share, you can share it. Yeah. So if I say share to WhatsApp, I can share it with my president, our district president, Mrs. Meeta Sheth. We can share it with her also. Yeah. So we can share it with anybody we want. If you want to, let's go back from here. Let's go back from here. Let's go back to our Canva. Yeah. So you can share it, or you can even download it genuinely. Ki no, bhai, I just want to download and keep it on my machine. So you'll find it in your gallery. Correct? So this is the way to go about it. Continue editing. On this side, this one, what is this? So one is when you share on social media. So both are in the sharing format. You can share on your gallery, you can share on your Instagram and things like that. Now I am going back to my home. What is the meaning of home? Home means bring me back to the first screen.